Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we wanted to talk about the different softwares and apps that you can use for your trading business. Okay, so first of all, one of the main ones obviously is TradingView. Okay, so this you can use to analyze and all that stuff and maybe even trade at live. If you have obviously a broker that's supported by this platform, you can connect it, basically trade live from here, which is pretty cool. So you don't need another app to or software to basically execute your trades. Okay, but if not, if your broker is not supported by this one, then obviously you can just it's like MetaTrader. Like over here, I have Admiral Markets at the bottom here, which is pretty nice. Just an MT4 app, pro software basically um, from that broker. Okay, what's nice about Admiral Markets is that their platform, their MT4 platform, you can basically add a broker on there. So if you have several accounts from different brokers, like we do, for example, through our funded accounts, we can add them all there. So we don't need multiple MT4 platforms. So we can just manage it from one, which is pretty cool. You can download it for free, like on the website and stuff. So it's pretty awesome. Then we have this tool as well, Social Trader tool, which is pretty nice. It's a very cool software. It's just basically when you have several accounts that are not merged, let's say from different brokers or different funding companies and all that. Let's say you work with FTMO and with funding talent and stuff, or the 5%ers or whatever you're using. You can basically make sure that the accounts are copying from one another, so you don't have to basically log in and log out to other accounts and execute on here, execute on that one. So basically you can have like one main account and then it just copies on all the rest. So this tool is pretty nice. Obviously it's paid, it's not that expensive, it's definitely worth it. So it definitely, like, you can have as many accounts as you want, and it's just it just copy paste basically on the other accounts, and it goes super fast. Like literally when you click buy or sell, literally in like nothing, basically the same time, it executes on the other account as well. So that's pretty nice. You can like edit it on, like adjust it on your like all the lot size and the risk parameters, and depending on the size of the account. So that's pretty cool. Social Trader too. Then Edgewonk is for journaling. Okay, this is the best tool out there for journaling. It's just all combined. Okay, so it basically you can connect your trading account with this software, and then it counts everything to the T. Every cent is counted. So and then like to every trade, you can literally add pictures or images, like videos and all that stuff from every trade. So you can have visual as well, apart from having all the numbers counted and seeing all the losses and the wins, everything counted to the T. So that's pretty nice. But obviously it's paid, but it's definitely worth it if you're serious about your trading business. And you can have like everything, all the analytics and basically records and all that stuff. You can see monthly reports and weekly reports and all that stuff. So that's pretty crazy and definitely needed. Okay, for your trading business. And if you don't want to pay for that, then obviously you can use a spreadsheet, like a lot of people in the beginning. Okay, so you can just put in here whatever you think is important, and then if you use a spreadsheet, I would definitely recommend using MyFX book as well, just to see how the account is going, the growth rate, and all the numbers counted basically as well. So for free, which is pretty nice as well. So you can definitely use this to see all the numbers of the accounts and have the weekly reports and all that. But then if you want something visual as well, you can have this here, and you can basically just post the links of all that. Like from here, you can just have the copy link to the chart image. You just add it there, so you can have something a little more visual. Okay, so in terms of software, that's pretty much it, guys. You don't really need much else for a trading business, which is pretty nice. Okay, so we have almost zero. You can literally have zero expenses if you want to, using like Google Sheets and MyFacebook and all that stuff. So that's pretty nice. Because basically, I mean, in trading, the business expenses are basically the losses that we have while we're trading. Okay, that's how we see it. So a loss would be a business expense, and a win would basically be just like a sale or a profit that we make. So this is basically how we see things. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link to all these softwares so you can check them out in the description. So yeah, I hope you liked it. And if you have any more questions about more tools, or if you have any issues on your day-to-day trading business, and you feel that maybe you can outsource it or automate it, just let us know, and we'll see if we can, know a tool for that, or can let you know that might help you to automate things for your business. Okay, so guys, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video.